it's Tracy Stall, and I'm at the 2025 SEMA Show at the ICAR booth, and I'm with Arianna Sherlock, who is the Vice President of Marketing for ICAR. Welcome.
Thank you, Jason. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Sure, and you're going to show me your VR or virtual reality feature.
I am, yes.
That's awesome. Yes. I'm so excited to try this. Let's try it out. Let's go to Nico over here, and he's got the expertise behind this thing. Let's go. So Nico, yes, you are the brains behind this VR.
Yes.
And what are we going to be doing today?
Today we're going to be doing a dynamic calibration of a forward-facing radar on our ICAR cruiser that we have built.
Very cool. Yep. And calibration is such a topical thing these days, right?
Yep.
A lot of shops need to do it to return a vehicle to safe operation. Yes. So this is wonderful.
Okay. Now go ahead and teleport over to that vehicle. You can use your right hand, remember?
All right.
The right thumbstick.
Yeah.
Yep. So you're going to push that forward and teleport right next.
Oh, perfect.
You're good. You're good. Take a couple steps back.
Okay.
You're good. You're good. That's the best part about standing. All right. Keep going. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right. So now you're going to want to look at the door of the car.
Yeah.
You're actually going to grab the handle and open the door.
Grab the handle?
Yeah, yep. Now you're going to do it with the grip button. Remember that grip button, that middle finger?
Yeah.
Yep. There you go. Swing the door all the way open. So you can touch the handle and swing it all the way open. Yep. Keep holding it and just ripping it open. There you go.
Whoop. Okay.
Yeah, okay, cool. So back at the table, I think you dropped the little dongle.
Okay.
You're going to want to grab that again. Okay?
Where'd that go?
So you're going to want to teleport.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, grab that again. Remember with that middle finger, you want to hold that the whole time, okay?
Okay.
Now you can walk back over.
Whoop.
I'm with you. It's okay. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. All right.
All right. So Arianna, we did the virtual reality. That was so cool, calibration. And now we've got hands-on welding. What's going on back here?
We do. So at SEMA every year, technical training is at the heart of what ICAR does. So we have our instructors here. They're teaching a MIG welding course. We're really excited to be here talking about our new mixed attachment methods course that's going to launch in early 2026. And our welding team is here. And as a complement to the MIG welding course, you can come over here and weld. It's a complimentary, hands-on portion of that course. And obviously, anybody who's here at SEMA and is interested in trying their hand and seeing how they can weld is welcome to stop in the booth and try that out. So I think you're going to try your hand at welding, right, Jason?
Yes, I've done it before. It's been a while, but I think I can handle it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Comfortable. Okay. Let's make sure.
I'm supposed to see out of here, right?
Yeah, you're going to see out of there.
Okay.
Let's look at it real quick and make sure that it's on the correct shape. So let me take a look at your hood, your helmet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Take it off.
Yeah. Okay. So I just want to make sure that our settings are right because it's going to auto darken. So when it goes black, see now you can see through it.
Yep.
As soon as I strike the arc, it's going to go light.
Okay.
And it'll go auto darkening, and then they'll protect your eyes.
Okay.
So that's why it's critical to make sure everything is set correctly.
Got ya. There's a finger, the guide.
So I'm gonna, so I use my hand like as a guide. What I'm gonna do is called the stitch method.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do a continuous trigger pull. That way I can utilize heat management on it. Okay. Cover. So can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
You see how I'm just coming up, barely overlapping on that?
Yeah.
Allowing it to cool, and then restriking. Allow to cool, restrike. Allow to cool. So what I would do, and you can flip your helmet up.
Okay.
They're on hinges.
Okay.
So really what I'm looking for is I want to make sure that I have complete fusion on the back side, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then make sure that on my face side, that I don't have any defects or anything like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go ahead and we're going to set up coupons for you.
Okay.
sneak over here. Again, best practice is we always want to cut our wire. So you see how there's that end on it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that won't give us a clean arc strike. So we're going to cut that back, and then again, use your hand to kind of brace yourself, and that way you can keep that distance. Okay, so you want to be about so close, about that much gun angle, and again, you're just going to pull the trigger. Okay, let me get my hood down. Okay, when you're ready, a little bit longer on the trigger, right? Okay, so I'm going to kind of guide you.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you pull the trigger. So when you're, okay, now a little bit less time on that trigger, and I'm going to have you go ahead and now you guide yourself. Okay, let it cool, let it cool. Drop down just a little bit. Okay, now. 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 There. Now you're getting that cadence, you're seeing that color. Okay. Let's take a peek at what we got. Not too bad. I mean, now here towards the end, you know, you started seeing where you needed to be.
Yeah.
Part of it is you was kind of standing back.
Yeah.
And so being able to get a little bit closer.
Yeah.
Because I really want to see right where the wire is touching.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's hard to see with its auto darkening for me, but
yeah. Okay. And there's a couple things we can do. I mean, we do have some light. Getting it in here to where there's more light on it definitely helps. And then we don't really want to go below a shade of tan when we're still welding.
Yeah.
But some people are a little more light sensitive than others.
Yeah.
You know, and so if it was kind of like blinding you, then we would want to step up in shades. But if it was like everything was dark, we can step down.
I struggle a little with that distance. I MIG braids one time, and I struggle with the distance keeping. I kept going further and further away instead of...
Yeah, keeping that and steady.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate you stopping by.
Okay, Arianna, so I welded, MIG welded, and I think I did a stitch weld, and that was really cool. And anybody at SEMA this year can stop by our booth and do the same thing, the virtual reality of the welding. But tell me, for our audience at home who's not here, if they want more information, if they want to take these classes, if they want these experiences, where do they go?
So ICAR.com would be the home for all things ICAR, but I'd also really encourage everyone to follow our social media channels. We have 4 days of content from the collision repair and refinish stage. That'll all be available on our YouTube channel.
Arianna, I can't thank you enough. This has been a wonderful experience. I mean, I'm really excited. This is such a cool thing for people to stop by and witness and watch and actually get involved with. So thank you so much.
We're really glad you could be here, Jason.
Thank you.